You asked if there was an easier way to do these problems. The answer is yes. I mean, you do these problems by hand, and if you look at the help while you're doing the homework, it's going to show you that. Most people are going to prefer to use technology. So you can use the calculator or you could use StatCrunch. You actually have a choice. StatCrunch is by far the easiest way. There are videos on using both. Okay, and you've already clicked on them. If you go over help, you can bring up StatCrunch. It's one of the options. So you want to find the area to the left of z equal 1.09. So you open up StatCrunch, you hit Stat, Calculators, you click on the normal calculator. Okay, it's in standard by default. The mean 0, standard deviation 1 by default. When you're given a z-score, you leave those alone. And so you just type in 1.079 here. And we want the area to the left. You can click here and do area to right and so forth. It computes and it gives you the answer you need. So, and also you have between as an option when needed. So I'd recommend watching the videos on StatCrunch and using StatCrunch. You can do it by hand. If you look at the help, that's the way they're going to tell you. But StatCrunch is typically easier than the calculator even. I hope this helps.